How much was it? How much was it?
They gave it to me.
So you're not gonna tell me how much was it?
Okay, they gave it to me.
I don't believe you.
Why?
How are they gonna give you something like that?
They gave this. They gave the.
As you know, I have this JLT cold air performance intake for 2 years now, and we're going to replace it with the carbon fiber JLT intake. So I'm going to walk you through the installation. The JLT intake came from Black Ops Auto Works and 2 years ago, and this one also came from Black Ops Auto Works, and they have the best price. So hit them up. I'll put the link in the description below. But it comes with all the necessary materials. So you got your tube, intake tube, you got the rubber connector between your tube and the throttle body, and you have the necessary clamps. It also comes with a free filter, just like this one has, and of course the oiled air filter. We'll see how big is it compared to the JLT. So I'm going to start pulling things apart and install them, and then we'll go for a test drive. Alright, stay tuned. So let's get at it. And remove this hose. Also another sensor. And make sure you do it slowly, so you don't pull anything apart. Okay? And then you just pull this out. Easy peasy. Right? How did I say that? It's not so easy. Right there. Came out one piece. JLT intake came out one piece. So I'm gonna set it aside, and throttle body looks clean. And the unique thing about my setup now is I'm gonna be able to use the airbox of the JLT using with the Legmaker. So I have a combo Legmaker JLT. So it's a hybrid, right? So hopefully this should be a lot better than the individual setup, because always the complaint is with the JLT or the Legmaker is that it can heat soak, right? So if it heat soaks, it robs power. So by using this box, I'm hoping that it will prevent the heat soak. That's common with the JLT, Legmaker cold air intake. Alright, that's what it looks like. Little mock up first before tightening everything, so that I know it kind of works. Here's a filter. I think they're about the same size as the JLT, right? About same size. But according to Legmaker, theirs is a little better because of the carbon fiber tube. Remains to be seen. We're gonna have to test that out, right? So let's insert it here. There you go. I think it's all in. All in. Look how beautiful that is, huh? Maybe that's a screenshot. Maybe that's our thumbnail, huh? Let's try to pose a little bit so I can. There you go, it's done. I had to MacGyver it a little bit because the PCV hose right here goes in that spot, and if I let it go up here, this wouldn't close. So I had to drill a new hole over there to let it go through so I can use the JLT box. So that's how it looks. Now it's time for a test drive. So I guess the older LEGMAKER intake, the holes are over here, so you don't have to do this, and you can use the JLT box like so easily. So now the newer one has the hole in here, so I had to MacGyver that a little bit right there. So now I'm gonna put up the rain shield and test drive. Sounds good.